You think you're making choices, but what if it's your habits actually choosing for you? With one simple tool, you can uncover hidden patterns running your life and start developing a more intuitive grasp. I'm Christopher, your Pendulum Guide, with 20 years of experience helping people get unstuck and find clarity. Welcome to episode 4 of Life Hacks and Secrets, the Pendulum Dowsing Guide with smarter lifestyle choices. Here's the thing, your daily habits aren't random. They are patterns, deeply ingrained, rarely questioned, and surprisingly powerful in shaping your energy, mood, and happiness. The good news, you don't have to stay stuck. A pendulum acts like a personal coach, revealing what's helping you thrive and what's quietly sabotaging your well-being. Sounds a little woo-woo? Actually, it's backed by quantum principles that say everything, yes, everything, is connected through universal consciousness. Curious? Check out the intro video, linked in the description below. Previously, we uncovered emotional, environmental, and food stresses. And today, we're going even deeper into lifestyle, the real engine behind your everyday well-being. All right, let's dig in. Lifestyle isn't about some grand philosophy you read in books. It's about the habits, especially the thoughts you repeat every single day. Time you wake up, how you react to stress, the media you consume, even the background noise you absorb from your environment. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most of your lifestyle choices aren't truly yours. They're conditioned for the most part, inherited perhaps, or simply absorbed over time, at school, from family, through culture. We rarely question, because we think that's how it works, if we think of it at all. When you pay close attention to your daily routine, it can be humbling to realize the pattern is simple, it's repeated, and it's strong. Why so powerful? Because you're confronting one of the most persistent forces in human experience, the ego. It resists change like a fortress, clinging to old habits even when they no longer serve you. Yet, relief can begin when you finally start seeing the patterns. When the cup overflows, change becomes inevitable. That's where pendulum dowsing comes in. It's a tool to pierce the fog, to ask simply and clearly, is this habit nourishing me or draining me? Am I ready to release it? You don't have to fight the mind. You can't control it, because the mind is just an endless stream of impressions and beliefs. Instead, you watch it. You observe without judgment. You reclaim your power by choosing awareness over autopilot. And awareness is everything. So, let's try it out together. Here's my pendulum and our lifestyle choices chart, covering health, relationships, career, personal growth, and so on. I've been feeling a little off lately, so let's see what's going on. You can try it with me, or just observe how it works. It's something in my lifestyle throwing off my well-being. Pendulum swings to yes. Okay, something's not quite right. In which area? Indicates career. That makes sense. Let's dig in a bit further. Am I working too many hours? Spot on. I've been burning the midnight oil. Is my lack of downtime stressing me out? Yes, again. I need more chill time. Would adding a morning walk help my health? Time to lace up my sneakers. See? Simple observations, no drama, no guilt, just conscious choice. And when you make your conscious choices every day, you slowly, steadily transform your life. Think your habits are the only thing holding you back? Want the key lifestyle choices chart to optimize your health, energy, or performance? Comment lifestyle choices and include your email below. We'll send it right to you. And here's something special. To dive even deeper into pendulum dowsing, head to www.radiesthesia.online, where all our courses are 50% off right now. Just use the coupon code INTRO50 at checkout. In episode 5, we're pulling back the curtain on a hidden health threat you don't want to ignore: parasites. Yes, they could be draining your energy without you even knowing. So smash that like button if you're ready to take back control, hit subscribe, and tap the bell, because what's coming next might just blow your mind. Thank you.